Hello everyone. Today this video Air Anka baggage allowance. Air Anka baggage allowance. Air Anka is a Turkish airlines. Here the summary of typical baggage allowance Air Anka. Turkish Airlines operating charter. So allowance vary by the specified operant, tour operator and fare paid. So always check your ticket confirmation and adjust limit. Carry-on hand baggage. One pieces carry-on baggage is allowed. Maximum weight up to 8 kg. Size limit 55 into 40 into 20 centimeter. Checked baggage. There is not single universal checked allowance. Air Anka baggage must flight are charter or run for other airlines, and the operator set the baggage routes and have however general practice included typically standard one checked bag around 20 to 23 kg. Checked baggage dimension is generally keep up to 158 cm total length, width and height. Heavier multiple item up to 23 kg pieces per pieces must be allowed. Baggage over 32 per item usually must travel in separately air cargo. So thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.